Hi, I'm Yen and this is Hachiko, the Shiba Inu. She's only 8 weeks old, so I will do like basic training just to show you how to train these cheeky monkeys because they're quite stubborn and because they don't need your attention, which makes it a little bit harder to train. But they're really smart little thing. So stay tuned and she's just really sleepy. Hachiko, stick them up. Good girl. Good girl. So the whole point to this is get them to do the action and then add the command. Come on. Stick them up. Ow. Stick them up. And then every time I go stick them up, she lifts it up. Okay. Sit. Fist pump. High five. Good girl. Yay. Good girl. Okay. So with everything you want to add the command to. Sit. Fist pump. Yeah. High five. Up. Sit. Fist pump. Good girl. Yay. And so I usually practice one command a day, and then the next day tries me. Hey, stay, wait, wait. Good girl. Okay. Oh. And then later on, gradually let them wait a little bit longer because their attention span is like off the hook. Okay. Hachiko, stick them up. Good girl. Up, stick them up. Let's try without the food. Come on, chew. Hachiko, stick them up. Stick them up. Good girl. There we go. Hey guys, so a few tips from me to train your Shiba Inu puppy, she's actually sleeping at the moment, is one, you have to be really patient and consistent. Like say for instance, if you were, before you train them, you want to be able to get them to do the action first. Because what's worse is that you're training them, you're trying to say the word and they're confused and they're doing different action and so there's no command to it. You're just like sit and it's doing random stuff and it doesn't know how to sit yet. That's going to be hard. So what you want to do is get them to be in position first. When you know that you can get them into position, add the command slowly. And then you can even like mix it up. So say for instance, when I taught her how to fist pump, I was like paw, I put my hands out and then get used to her doing that very frequently and I know how I can get her to do that. Then I'll add different words like paw and then fist pump and then high five, and then that way it gets creative. Another thing is that you got to be assertive. Like you can't be nervous or shy or let it run you. Like this dog, you need to be able to be in control. Like you listen to me, not I listen to you. So yeah, don't call them to come over too much. Sort of like, so what can I say? Because they're really stubborn dogs, stubborn breeds, but they're very loyal. They need to, one, respect you before they listen to you. So if you're just telling them what to do, they won't listen. So you got to build that bond with them first. Patience is a virtue. Be consistent with the words you use. Say for instance, if you use the word stay, you have to use the stay. Don't say, oh wait, and then it confuses the shit out of them. So once get used to them, get used to the basics. So one word first, and then later on you can introduce other words so it can understand that. Like say for instance, if I said sit and I said down, she would get confused. So stick with sit and then be consistent with the words you use and the command. Get used to the action. So being able to get them to do the action and then introduce the command later, it'll be a lot easier instead of you sitting there like sit and they're not sitting. Be aware, like sometimes their teeth is really hard, like sharp, sorry, and then it can sort of hurt you. So just do other things first, master other things, and then get to the other part where it's easier for you to train in and it's actually listening to you. So yeah, good luck, and tell me in the comments, let me know, and make sure you follow her on Instagram. Okay, see ya.